Hi, dear teacher. This question, it's about long division. So you can see a number like 6,905 divided by 34. So I'm going to write here, and as you can see again, this is a question without calculator. So we have to use the long division. So 6,905 divided by 34. So again, the first thing I'm going to say, can I divide 6 by 34? For sure, no. So I take the 69. 69, can I divide it by 34? Yes, for sure. It's almost 2. So 2 times 4 equal 8. 2 times 3 equal 6. 68 less than 69. That means I can subtract it. The result is 1. I want to make sure that the 1 is less than 34, because if I get a result here of the subtraction, and this is a larger number than the 34, in this case I have to increase the 2 to 3. Now I ask the 0 to come down, so I have 10. Now this is tricky little bit. Can I divide 10 by 34? Actually no, because 10 is smaller than 34. Therefore I don't have a choice. It's 0. 0 times 34, it can give me 0. And I do the subtraction as usual. It's going to be 10. Now I can ask the 5 to come down. So it will be 105. So with this way, 105. 105 divided by 34. For sure I can. So I can try, let's say 3. 3 times 4 equal 12. So 3 times 4 equal 12. And I have 1. 3 times 3, 9, and 1, 10. 102 is smaller than 105, which means 3. Now I can stop at this level. I can continue with decimal point. I can force the 0, 30, and I can continue. But if I'm doing that as a check, because here I can see two different answers that they are close to mine. 203, remainder 3. This is exactly what I have here. And the other one, 203, decimal point 3. So I will check again. If I add a 0, and here I force the decimal point, 30 divided by 34, impossible. So that means it can be 0, not 3. So this is wrong. So this is as a check only. And after that, I can remove the 0. And I can remove the decimal point. I don't need it. So the final answer is going to be clear that my final answer here is 203, remainder 3. And in this case, this is the right answer. I hope that you understood that question. Thank you for listening.